Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Google search and mostly any website a kind of dark themed. Now nowadays with basically everybody using some form of technology, looking at some type of screen almost every day, uh, having to look at a light like theme isn't the nicest thing to look at. But I kind of stumbled upon this Chrome extension that kind of fixes that problem. So right off the bat, you can see that my home page, like my new tab page, is like already a dark theme. And with the recent release of the new update on Google Chrome, you can select between these different themes. So you can make it red, green, blue, purple, whatever you want. I just went with this kind of dark theme, kind of grayish. So yeah, you can just change that for your Chrome theme. You can also change the background. But now for the more detailed part. So whenever you search for, when you go just to Google search, let's just type in YouTube, for example. See, it's all white. Now, you might have gotten used to that by now, but I found a way to make it all dark theme, so it's a little bit easier on your eyes. So what you want to do, just go to your Chrome apps or however you want to get to the Chrome web store. Go to the web store. And it's actually this one right here. I just stumbled upon it one day. There might be a better option somewhere else, but I've been using this for a while and it works fairly well. Now, I've done this on a Windows 7 PC and a Windows 10 PC, which is this one. I wouldn't be surprised if it wouldn't work on Mac, as it's shown right here. But anyways, just click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. Wait a few seconds. And you'll get this little help page, which we don't really need. But this is basically just a brief overview. You can click on this little Darth Vader looking dude here. And then if you want to make a one-page light instead, you can click on light. It doesn't work here because I think it's already set to that or something like that. But you can adjust different things like brightness, contrast, grayscale. But if we want to go search for something in Google search, we can type in YouTube. And now you can see that it's all dark. And this will also work on any other website. So I mean, google.com, it's all dark instead of white. Gmail, I don't actually know if it's white, but yeah, this would usually have been white, but now it's dark. And I haven't really run into any problems, but with some websites, I think how they were made, it doesn't really work all that well. eBay is one that I've noticed. You can see kind of there, you can see some white artifacts. I don't think that's the fault of the extension, more so of how the logo was made or something like that. So overall, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to darken the Google search and other websites on Google Chrome, then honestly, this is a fairly simple solution. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll do my best to get back to you. If you did enjoy the video, hit that like button, but if not, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel and enable notifications for more quality tech videos. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.